Hello everyone. So today's our topic is on proportion of concrete. Let's start. The process of relative proportion of cement, sand, aggregate and water so as to obtain a concrete of desired quality. I repeat it, concrete of desired quality is known as proportion of concrete. Okay. Now we will discuss about concrete mix design. So let's see, here I have written a formula that is 1 is to n is to 2n. It's basically derived from Indian standards form. 1 complies for cement, n indicates for sand and 2n for aggregates. So let's see what concrete mix basically means. It is the process of selecting suitable ingredients of concrete and determining their proportions for producing minimum strength and durability. Suppose we design a concrete mix which is very good in strength and durability, but it is uneconomical. Then according to Indian standard norms, it cannot be applied. So every concrete mix design must be economical as possible. It must be economical as much as possible. So keep it in mind when we are going to design any concrete mix design, it must be economical as much as possible. Now let's see, we will move forward about the different mix proportions, grade of concrete, their mix proportion and category. So first there is M5. M5 grade, here M refers to mix of cement and 5 refers to compressive strength. Here 5 is compressive strength of concrete. Now what 5 indicates? It's basically can be written as 5 Newton per mm square. Basically it describes that it can bear, this M5 grade of concrete can bear a maximum load of 5 Newton per mm square of area. So for this design, there is a proportion of cement, sand and aggregate. This is 1 is to 5 is to 10. It is according to the Indian standards. Then after we have M7.5. Their ratio are 1 is to 4 is to 8. Both M5 and M7.5 grade of concrete are called lean mix design. M5 and M7.5 are called lean mix design. Now we will move forward towards M10. The ratio for M10 is, mix proportion ratio is 1 is to 3 is to 6. For M15 it's 1 is to 2 is to 4. For M20 it's 1 is to 1.5 is to 3. From M10 to M20, these grade of concrete are called ordinary concrete category. This comes under, this M10 to M20 comes under ordinary concrete category. Okay. Now we will move forward. M25, the ratio proportion, mix proportion of cement, sand and aggregate for M25 is 1 is to 1 is to 2. After that there is M30. From M30 onwards, the mix proportion design, we just do design mix of concrete. Here design mix basically it's a process where each and every ingredients of concrete is first tested in laboratory. Then we will basically design it according to the load, according to the design of the building or according to the design of constructions. So from M35 to M45, it is categorized as standard grade of concrete. Okay. Then after there is M50 and from M50 onwards, it is also design mix concrete. It also comes under category of design mix. In design mix, we are going to design on a basis of load applied. We just design this cement sand ratio and aggregate ratio according to the laboratory test and result. So from M50 onwards, the category of this grade of concrete is categorized in high strength concrete. So hope you all guys like this video. So please subscribe my channel and share as much as it possible. Thank you.